Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable applications opening on startup. So let's say you have some software that opens every time you turn on the PC. In my example, I have iQ for my Corsair headset, but I don't need the software to open. So this is how you disable the applications. First, you have to right-click on your Windows icon in the taskbar and find Task Manager. Now go ahead and click on Task Manager. Now your computer should open the Task Manager, which should look like this one on my screen. On the left side, you can click on Startup Apps. This shows all apps on your PC and which ones that will open on startup. If status is enabled, they will open on startup. Now you can go ahead and right-click on the program that you don't want to open on startup, and then you can simply disable. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope the video was helpful. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.